Hey everybody, this is Dwayne from Coaster Addict. We are at Six Flags over Georgia, actually just outside of property lines. It's not an operational day. We just want to swing by and see if there's testing. The horn has gone off from what we can tell, and it appears that there'll be some testing going on. We'll find out here in just a moment. Again, the horn is going off for Twisted Cyclone here at Six Flags over Georgia. Let's take a quick peek and see what we have. Okay, we moved over here on the road. Again, staying out of the way of the crews, but the red train, it appears, yes, the red train is climbing the lift hill. Last time we were out here, we got the inside view. Now we want to take a look at the rest of the track. We didn't have that chance last time, so at the top of the hill, let's see what it looks like. Comes around, second inversion, it's looking really smooth. This should definitely be an exciting ride here at Six Flags over Georgia. Let's get a few more runs in if we can. Appears to be stuck. Gerrick here is with me, and he's doing the video right now. Probably just testing.
So it looks like it just stopped halfway.
Yeah, it definitely did. Okay, we're back at testing time. Probably just checking to make sure all the block system works. Let's see if we get a full run on this one. And haven't seen the black train yet, but maybe they were loading that. We don't know for sure. Definitely something to keep in mind. We'll try to get some footage of that if the opportunity arises. There's a second inversion again. And here's this backside looks like it's really, really cool. Again, you have that right there. Low to the ground. And there you have it, another test run here at Six Flags over Georgia. If you haven't subscribed, click the link below, and we'll be back for more here at Six Flags.